A teenage girl named Lena liked to visit a small thrift shop near her home. She did not have much money, but she enjoyed looking at old clothes, old books, and old bags. She always wondered who used them before. One cold afternoon, she needed a warm coat. Winter was coming, and her old jacket was too thin. So she went to the thrift shop and looked around. After a few minutes, she saw a brown coat hanging on a low rack. It looked a little old, but it was clean and soft. When she tried it on, it fit her perfectly. The coat felt warm, like a hug. She smiled and decided to buy it. When Lena got home, she put her hands in the coat pockets. In the right pocket, she felt a small piece of paper. She pulled it out and opened it. The note was simple. It said, "May this coat keep you warm and lucky." There was no name, no date, and no handwriting she recognized. It was a mystery. Lena sat on her bed and held the note carefully. It made her feel warm inside, even warmer than the coat itself. She thought someone wanted the next person to feel safe and happy. Maybe they had many good memories with this coat. The next day, Lena wore the coat to school. She felt special. The coat was not just clothing anymore. It was a gift of kindness from someone she did not know. Lena decided that one day, when she was older, she would also leave small notes of kindness for strangers. She wanted to pass on the warmth she had received.